If you're seeing the message that this phone number cannot be used for verification on your Gmail account, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the easiest ways to fix it step by step. This is a very common issue, and it usually happens because of repeated failed attempts, an invalid number type, or the number already being linked to another Google account. So stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to give yourself the best chance of getting verified successfully. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Now let's get into it. First, if you've already tried verifying your Gmail account several times and kept getting rejected, the best thing you can do is stop trying immediately and wait 24 to 48 hours before trying again. Google sometimes temporarily blocks verification attempts after too many failures, and if you keep retrying too quickly, it can make the issue worse. So give it some time, let the system reset, and then try again later with a clean attempt. Next, make sure you're using a real mobile number. This is very important. Google does not always accept virtual numbers, VoIP numbers, temporary numbers, or reused numbers that have been used too many times for account verification. If you're using one of those, switch to a genuine personal mobile number from a real carrier. A fresh, active number is much more likely to work. Now, another thing that often causes this problem is that the number is already connected to an unused Google account. To fix that, go to your browser and open myaccount.google.com. Once you're there, sign into the Google account that may already have that number attached. Then go to Personal Info, open Contact Info, and select Phone. Check whether your number is listed there. If it is attached to an old or unused Google account, remove it from that account before trying to use it again on Gmail. This step is often overlooked, but it can make a big difference. After that, go back and enter the phone number carefully. Make sure you include the correct country code and type the number exactly as it should appear. Avoid extra spaces, dashes, symbols, or any incorrect digits. Even a small formatting mistake can cause Google to reject the number, so double check everything before you hit submit. If possible, try entering the number in a simple, clean format, with only the country code and digits. Once you've done all of that, try the verification process again. If you waited the full 24 to 48 hours, used a real mobile number, removed it from any old Google accounts, and entered it correctly, you'll have a much better chance of getting through the verification step. And if it still doesn't work right away, don't keep forcing it. Wait again and try from a different device or browser later. The key is to be patient and make sure Google sees the number as valid and trustworthy. So to quickly recap, wait after failed attempts, use a real mobile number, remove the number from old Google accounts, and enter it correctly with the proper country code. Those 4 steps solve this issue for most people. If this video helped you fix the problem, please hit like and subscribe for more Gmail and Google account tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.